Tonight we are in the mood for Mexican food. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making chorizo tacos and burritos. Stay tuned. I saw this beef chorizo at Walmart and thought I would give it a try as an alternative to pork chorizo. It comes in 2 of these 2 packages, and you just snip the end, peel back the plastic, and pop it in the skillet. Today I'm using both tubes because I'm making chorizo tacos and burritos. I'm cooking the chorizo on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes or until done and then removing from the pan. It does look a little greasy, but it certainly smells good. For the burritos, I'm adding some potatoes and onions. The potatoes help add a little volume, add texture, and soak up all that chorizo flavor. In the same pan, I'm adding just a little more oil and a finely diced potato. Cooking and stirring until the potatoes start to turn golden brown, and then I'm adding in some finely diced onion. Cooking and stirring for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the potatoes and onions are tender. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. Now I'm adding half of the beef chorizo back into the pan, stirring to combine and then removing from the heat. For the tacos, I'm frying some corn tortillas and then shaping them using my muffin pan. For the burritos, I'm toasting the flour tortillas in my grill pan. Time to assemble the tacos and burritos. First, the tacos. I'm making the tacos simple tonight and adding some of the beef chorizo, some onion, a little cilantro, and cheese. For the burritos, I had the beef chorizo with potatoes and onions, adding some shredded lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and cilantro. Giving that a roll and a hug, and we are ready to eat. Overall, the Walmart beef chorizo is good. It has a rich and deep flavor. I don't think I would add any more spices. We really enjoyed the tacos and burritos. I hope you give these chorizo tacos and burritos a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!